Hi, Richard Hollicker, Solar Control Films. The question I get a lot is, what's new? Well, a couple of things. First off, Fusion's come out with a new Fusion handle with the squeegee, the orange crush and the pink clean, which are been around for a while. But this handle is 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 disposable, so it does not come out. It's in, and when the squeegee goes bad, you just pitch it and toss it away. People say, oh, that seems wasteful. It is and it isn't, but if you leave a tool in a car or something like that, it's not as big of an investment loss. Also, these handles are pretty light, so you might like the weight distribution a little better. And the second thing of what's new is this exterior windshield film. And I've had this on since about the 1st of August, and the only reason why I remember that's because my mom's birthday is August 3rd. I put it on her birthday. So it's been on since August, and I've been, if you can tell, I had my windshield wipers have been on. It's only a 60-inch roll, and it's a TPU-based product. So I installed it, and as you can see here, it didn't quite fit all the way. So you can see there is a little gap here. So it clearly is tint on my window, and it looks like it is about a 80% on it. So there's a little bit of color in it, and then you can probably see it if I clean this little spot here. You can see I don't know if the camera can get that, but you can see that there is a difference. The tint ends right here at this line, and here is non-treated. So again, TPU based product, and now I'm going to clean this whole windshield and see how it goes and how the product will look after it's been cleaned. So I'm too lazy to take it off and put it back on. We'll probably run it the entire time so you all believe me, but trust me, I'm just going to clean this. And if there's no windshield marks, stuff like that, we will be happy. So I'm just get the big stuff off first. I'm going to take this clay bar and I'm going to clean it, and we'll see what we look like. We'll get half of it clean, and what we're looking for is, did this help self-heal? Did the windshield wipers permanently scar this? Now, I don't know the answer, but it's TPU based, it is self-healing, so I was told that it will self-heal, so we'll see. This is why people lose lint-free towels. We're leaving a ton of lint, but that's just the way it is. Microfiber towel. I'll work on it. Thank you, sir. See ya. UPS truck thinks I'm gonna clean that truck. He's crazy. All right, take the close up. See if we can tell the difference. Yep, still self-healing. So it's been on for a few months. Still self-healing. I can still see some in the dirt, but we'll see. But clearly, the windshield wipers didn't damage it, so that's a plus. And our spray away ammonia free doesn't seem to be doing any damage either. Another plus. All right. Yeah, I'd have to say it passes its 3-month test of wear and tear. I do see some windshield wiper scrapes on here, but clearly not nearly as bad as they were. Well, see what happens. Do it again. That's in the name of science, right? Try it again. I'll do the what it's designed for, right? Yeah, you can still see this line here. Definitely. I can see some scratches, but that's what it came from. That's where we are now. So I think it passes the test. We'll keep it on here and watch the 6-month mark, watch the 1-year mark, and keep giving you updates. All right, thanks for watching.